Hi everyone, today we will be looking into the various debugging options or the screens and stacks and other things which are available in the ABAP Debugger. I will choose the transaction MM02 for reference, and here is the material number which is there, which is already been defaulted. I'll hit enter. Now, what I have done is I have put a breakpoint already in one particular screen. We'll just proceed ahead. I will click on this button. We'll select basic data 1 and basic data 2. Again, this has come. Basically, what I have done is I have selected one field on this screen and done F1. And then let's click on this technical information. It will show you the screen number relevant to that field, and I have clicked over here on the program screen number here in this particular module. I have put a breakpoint, so that is where it was being called. Now let's go back and hit enter. So this breakpoint gets called. Now let us explore this debugger screen. So by default, this standard tab is displayed, and this standard tab is divided into three areas. One where the current piece of code which is being called is shown, and this small arrow is the place where you will see the current the statement which is getting executed. Then the right hand side is divided into two parts. One is for variables, the variables which you would like to see. Clear that. Let's say if I click on this variable, it will be displayed over here. The second variable, it will be displayed over here. Then this system info number, this variable will be displayed over here. Then you have the ABAP call stack. It starts from the transaction MM02, which we entered on the screen. Then it is followed by the sequence of either the screens or the methods or events which are being called, or the modules which are being called, and the call stack of the programs or methods, performs, or other things which are called sequentially, and this arrow shows the current stack position. Now we will see the desktop 3 tab. Again, it shows you similar stuff. However, now it is divided into two parts. One is the current module code or the piece of code which is being executed. And on the right hand side, you will see the variables over here. Variable 1, variable 2, stack, locals, if you want any locals, global variables which are available in this particular program are visible over here. And auto and memory analysis is over here. So globals, all the programs which are globally available in this main program, SAP MMGM, this is the main program which is available, and all the includes and other programs which are within this main program will be able to access this global variable. So you get it over here. Then comes the desktop 2. Now the desktop 2 again is divided into two parts, the current piece of code which is being executed, and the ABAP and the screen stack. So we saw that it started with transaction MM02, then it went into the screen, then this is the module which is being called, then the function module, screen, and etc. The stack, it is in the reverse order from the beginning, and where you started, and the current module wherein it is being executed will be shown over here. Now if you see over here, we will see the event type, the event which is being called, or the method which is being called. Here in this case it's a function module, so it's the function module name. In this case it's the screen, so the screen number is there. In this case it's a module, ABAP module, and the event which is being called is or the method which is being called is over here. The main program which has this particular event, screen, or function module, that main program and the include in which this program is being called is available over here in this column. And again, Here you see the line number, at which line number this particular piece of code is being called, and where the control passes from this main program, this include this line number to the next thing in the stack is show available in this table. Then in the next desktop one again is the same thing, but it is divided into horizontal parts. And desktop 3 you will see the same stuff in vertical parts. Then we have structures. So if you have any structures which we want to see, the structures, if you, let's say if I'm in desktop 3 and I select this structure psi, so it's a structure, flat, non-character like, and if I double click on it, it will take me to the structure screen. So the available structure is psi, and the field list in this is which is available over here. Now in again, if I go to desktop 2, let me see if any internal table is not available. Let's take the global one. These are all table areas only. These are okay. Let's assume there was an internal table, then that internal table would have been available over here. Then if we are displaying any object-oriented programming objects, then those objects will be available here and individual display will be available in this part. Details, again, if you have field and then fields details. Data Explorer, again, if you have a data type ref to data object. The various breakpoints. Now currently I have set a breakpoint over here in the one particular include, and this is the main program which is available, and it is a type of breakpoint is session breakpoint, and if you see over here those values are available. Then difference, if you want to compare variable 1 and variable 2, and there is this script. If you want to perform any debugging script, the script is option is also available. So these are the various tabs available over here. You will see the by default whatever is the value for psi sub rc and psi tab ix, like the index of the table row which is being currently read. Here this is the main program which is being accessed, and this is the include. The current line number is 11, and again this is in the PAI module, and this clear build flag, this module. These details are available in these two fields over here. Yeah, so that's it. So we have covered all these tabs in debugging, and we have also seen various uh, tabs which are available in the variables. So keep on watching my videos. Thank you. Bye.